Hey everyone, Chris Roma here, aka Roma Aquatics, coming you today with a shrimp unboxing. Today we have some orange Sakura and some blue diamonds, so let's get to it. So I got these on Aquabid from Dougland Shoe, which I order from all the time. I like his stuff, it's great, and he combines shipping. So I bought these and the orange Sakura from the seller, and he combined payment for an extra, or combined shipping for an extra $1. So you can find him at DHU32, and I believe it's a husband and wife because you get emails and packages from both Dougland and Maria. But anyway, let's get to the shrimp. There's the oranges. It looks like it came with Subwassertang. He knows I like Subwassertang. So I ordered 20. He gave me an extra 4, it says. They all look happy and healthy. Moving around. These must be the blue diamonds, also known as sapphire shrimp. I got 10 of these, and he sent 10 plus 2, or he or she. And they also look all healthy and happy, which is the norm. Alright, let's get these guys acclimating. And I thought I'd give an update of how the Subwassertang tree is doing. It's growing in nicely. It's looking really good. But anyways, guys, that's it for this one. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. All right, till next time, fish fam.